The first time we qualified for this competition, I'm told, was 1965. The second time was 1991. The third time was 1999. We also played there at 2011. And you can see it is taking us decades. But this time we qualified for having gone to Egypt in the competition of under 20 when we were trying to qualify for the World Cup, and we finished the quarterfinals having lost that match to Nigeria 1-0.
And we have prizes. A gold medal, win and win the trophy. In my considerable opinion, I will call you, you'll finish for the rest of your life. Because every month, government will begin paying you 5 million shillings till you die. Why don't you want to get this money? Because you protect gold. With this, government will give you a house. Why don't you want for government to construct for you a house?
Every athlete that has performed at a very high level, one of the things that is unique with them is the discipline that they have as an individual. So you could be talented, you could be well coached, but if you are not disciplined to prepare for the games, to behave as an athlete, to get on the court, the pitch and follow instruction, to have the discipline to work with your other fellow players. There's someone open, you can see that they're open now. You give the ball to the other side.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Can we have the